Hi, this is Dr. Jonathan Lee, and hope all is well. It's Friday, TGIF, and today we've got some tips. Specifically, we got some unboxing, and it's Christmas in May. All right, here we go. It's Christmas in May. All right, so this first unboxing is from TDSC, the Dentist Supply Company, from the California Dental Association, and let's see what's in it. Alright, so okay. So these are the KN95 efficient filtering masks that TDSC CDA had procured for its members to buy on there. So we'll try this out today. All right, let's go to the next package. Okay, this one's really big now. Oh, this one is from White Oaks Orthodontics. This is the package of KN95 face mask particulate respirators. All right, so these came in, so we'll take a look at these as well. And then finally, it's our last one. Let's bring this up. This one, I believe, is the CDSC, the CDA's PPE kit from the state of California's emergency stockpile on there. That all dentists in California are going to get. Oh, here it is. All right, so we're taking a look. All right, okay, so we have disposable practice protective masks on there. 150 of those on there. Okay, excellent. Okay, we got a 3M small N95 healthcare particulate respirator on there, 1860S in there. So this is going to go for a small person in there. And then we have 3M's 9542. So this is a KN95 mask on there. So here's one of them. 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, so obviously these were made for outside the United States because they're KN95s on there. And I'll Google this and see what it is. This looks like the equivalent of their P95 masks. The oil particulate masks. And then there are two more in here. This one is the KN95 3M's 9542VV because of the valve. So this is again from the state of California and the emergency stockpile on there that they gave to dentists. So it's got the valves in there. Oh, nice. We've got gowns on there. So there's one and then there's two gowns on there. It's cloth on there. And then we got some face shields too. We've got 4 face shields on there. And so this is awesome on there. This is the Dental Supply Company, which is part of the California Dental Association on there. And so they procured these kits for all licensed dentists in the state of California. You don't even have to be a member of the CDA on there. So we'll take a look at these and see how they look. All right, excellent. So the next one is from the Urban X Mask Company. Scott Swoboda told me about it. It looks like it's the cycling mask on there. The N95 certified cycling mask on there. So we'll take a look at that too. All right. Okay, so we're going to fit test the following 3 masks on there. The first one will be the efficient filtering mask, which is on the left side. And that one is from the TDSC, the Dental Supply Company, which is associated with the California Dental Association. And then we'll do the face mask particulate respirator by Uluk. And that one is from White Oaks Orthodontics Supply. And then the one on the right, the mask in the green bag, and that is from the Urban X mask, the cycling mask. And as you can see, there's barrettes on the bottom, and the reason why is because these are ear loop masks, and so we know that a seal is important. All right, so here we go. All right, so the first test is going to be the efficient filtering mask from the Dental Supply Company, and this is TDSC, affiliated with the California Dental Association. So we're gonna try this one. So here comes the mask. It's pretty thick on there, nice and thick, and it does smell brand new for sure. Very industrial. Okay, so I'm gonna put this on. Again, it's an air loop mask on there. Feels pretty tight in there. All right, so what we're gonna do is we're gonna see how this fits with, in terms of fit testing on there. Okay, so here we go. All right, so now we're gonna try it with the irritant fit test. All right, here we go. Okay, so I feel a little irritant in there. I think there is a leak somewhere. So we've got a trick for that. We're gonna see. All right, so this one, I can feel a little irritant on there. Okay. All right, so the next one we're gonna try on is the Uluk face mask, the KN95s from White Oaks Orthodontic Supply on there. So we're gonna do that one. All right, so, okay, here it comes. It's a little thinner. It's kind of like the TDSC one. Okay. It's a little looser down here, but this is how this fits. So we're gonna test this, see how this works. All right, here we go. All right, so now we have the White Oaks KN95 on there. So we're gonna try and see how this one is. Now, that one, again, the seal on there. All right, and then now we're gonna try the Urban X mask on there, the cycling exercise mask. That's supposedly N95 certified. So as we open it, here's the mask on there. All right, so you can see 2 valves on the front for exhalation. On there, it's neoprene type material, and then inside is the filtering part in there, this white part here. And these inserts are replaceable on there over time, on there. And so as it goes on, let's put this on. Okay. This is kind of like a ski mask on there. Okay, so the valves do make it easier to breathe and exhale. So we will try this. All right, so now we're gonna try the Urban X mask. Here we go. I'd have to say the failure is gonna be because of these. It's the valves on there, because I can get that irritant smoke. So this looks cool. Does not work with just this. So we're gonna try something else. Okay. The trick I have is the barrette trick on there. And so with the barrette, what you're gonna do is you're going to basically put the ends of your mask like this. So there's a totter pool. All right. Okay, so let's try it. Okay, so now we're gonna try it. This is the TDSC one. Okay, it works. So again, the key is the seal on there. All right, so now we're gonna try the next. Okay, so now we're gonna try the white oaks one. Yep, so it works on there. No irritant on there. So again, it's the seal on there. So the white oaks KN95 works on there. Of the two, the one from TDSC and the white oaks one, the TDSC one feels thicker and more protective. But again, the key is the seal on there. So you can see I've got a little barrette right there. Okay, all right. Okay, so we got a surgical level 2 mask with a barrette in the back on there. So let us try this. Wow, that's the key. It's that seal. Which makes sense. And the reason why is because level 2 and level 3 masks have a 98 PFE efficiency rating, and a level 1 has a 95% PFE, which is equivalent to an N95. So again, it just shows the importance of a seal on there. All right. So as we saw from the Urban X mask, the failure was at somehow in the valve on there. So what about valves? Because 3M, they have the Cool Flow N95 mask, 8511, that has a valve in it, and supposedly the valve allows breathing easier. In fact, like 30% easier in terms of breathing in there. So I have the mask underneath the surgical mask on there, and right now when I do this, breathing in and out, I get nothing at all on there. So now we're gonna take this, we're gonna take a big breath in, right? And let's try it. Absolutely nothing. I'm breathing in and out. So I have to say, 3M masks are the gold standard, even with the filter on there, that there's nothing like 3M true N95 masks. The issue is they're hard to come by nowadays. So what am I gonna do with this on there? Well, I can return it, but that'll probably be an exercise of frustration on there. So I'm probably going to just use it as a winter mask on there, a ski mask on there, just because it is the same material as my winter mask on there. But the nice thing, it does have the valves so that you can exhale and you don't get that condensation on there. And there is a little bit of filtering, but it's definitely not something that you'd want to use to prevent COVID-19 on there. So, yep, I hope this helps.